Today's top news headlines. Cycling for Humanity team left Imphal today for Shirui Lili Festival. And ULFAI using various social media platforms to recruit youths. A very good evening and welcome to Pony Television English News at 6 p.m. I'm loving RIMAI giving you the latest news update. A team of Cycling for Humanity led by cyclist Rohan Pilem left Imphal today for Shirui Lili Festival. The cycle rally with the theme of Save Shirui Lili was flagged off by Langtabal constituency MLA Karam Sham. Speaking about the rally, MLA Karam Sham urged that this 95-kilometer cycle rally from Imphal to Ukhrul on the theme of Save Shirui Lili strengthened the bond between hill and valley people. He further stated that once they arrive at the location, all of the athletic cyclists will deliver environmental messages.
Na chatrak pa activities singi manung amoy na andak pangthok kadoriba Shirui festival siga mai lenga na paina
Di Shirui Lili si kanana bagi wakalon na yam thona fana Imphal dagina Shirui Lili pawada 95 kilometer li cycle thauraga sat pasina ekoi Manipur da leriba sinmi tami gi marakta nungsinaba sungchoi choi tane hengat kani aibagi thajaba adu hamjari loina na ekoi gi narol sing ge yamna thona phaba aduga di masamo fana laibagi adum batanja adugi matakta ayamana cyclisting sin ahangakani nisanung sasin adabana ayamba boy.
A Save Shirui Lili cycle rally was organized by 35 cyclists from Cycling for Humanity as part of the Shirui Lili Festival, said cyclist Rohan Pilem. He said they will ride till they reach Shirui Peak. He also thanked those who support them morally and financially. MLA Leishio, Director of Tourism Department, Ibohal, proprietor of Kelog Bicycle, Monica Amadi, and manager of Classic Group of Company, Momon, also took part in the cycle rally flag-off ceremony.
Moina andak pangthok kadoriba Shirui festival siga mai lenga na paina Save Shirui Lili have a cycle ride now around 35 cyclists koi Shirui pura Shirui peak yo ho koi celebration sport ho koi thauja gena plan dori highway ride sida paina harau invite tawjaru bada yabira pa koi honorable MLA Karam Sham honorable MLA Leishio duga asi lakpiriba koi tourism director Sai Gopal duga fellow bicycle gi provider Monica amadi koi Classic Group of Hotels ki manager Sir Momon amadi koi ngasi team masa magdi lakchare dual radiant ki koi manager managing director Sir Romeo puno pu koi tobiman khangbu chari ko cycling for humanity ki site ki koi sigum youth na in states ki mai pur koi aba right am sinja bada sumaina morally financially support people share ki mate koi tobiman khangbu chari aya.
The ULFAI has been recruiting youths from Upper Assam through various social media platforms, say the police official. Recently, many youths have joined the rebel outfit after they were brainwashed through various social media platforms. According to information under the supervision of ULFAI leader Iseng Exom, the youths have joined the rebel outfit. The rebel outfit used several social media platforms to lure the youths to join the rebel group. They searched the profiles of the youths, and if they find that they can be influenced, then they start brainwashing them to join the rebel outfit, say the police source. Sources say ULFAI has become active in the Jagun area of Tinsukia district and silently started extortion drive. The ULFAI leaders have become media savvy and very frequently they connect to the media houses. Extortion activities yet again started in some of the pockets of Upper Assam. They have targeted the businessmen and in a very secret manner they are collecting ransom, say the source. Tinsukia district of Upper Assam is known as the hotbed of ULFAI. The district shares boundaries with Arunachal Pradesh and it is very easy for the insurgent group to sneak into the Upper Assam districts from Myanmar. Sources say ULFAI has been targeting the unemployed youths of Upper Assam to join them. Recently, a Youth Congress vice president of Upper Assam's Tinsukia district stunned everyone when he announced on Facebook post addressed to his pregnant wife that he has joined the band ULFAI. Public Health Engineering Department (PHED) has informed the general public that there will be no water supply in the areas under the jurisdiction of Moirangkom Water Treatment Plant with effect from May 25 till May 28 due to desiltation of pre-setting tank and previous service reservoir during the said period. Water supply will be resumed immediately after completion of the above works. Therefore, general public consumers under Moirangkom Water Treatment Plant have been requested to bear with the inconvenience, say the notification by the Assistant Engineer to Water Supply Project Construction Division (PHED). National General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Raju Bista met with Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh in Delhi yesterday. Raju Bista, who is also BJP Manipur Pradesh in charge, and Darjeeling MP congratulated N. Biren on his second term as Chief Minister. He expresses that shortly there will be boundless growth in Manipur under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and N. Biren Singh. 6 accused arrested by police in connection with the death of Army personnel Kori Mayum Abdullah of Yaripok, Changamdabi, Makhalekai have been remanded to police custody till June 1 after being produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrate CGM Thobal on Monday. The 6 accused who surrendered to Lilong Police Station on Sunday have been identified as Tabashum, age 19, daughter of Mahmud Abdul Hakim of Kaibung Sana Sibi Leirak, who eloped with Abdullah but yet to be married, her elder sister Sana of Lilong Nungay Kuno, her husband Mahmud Mujbur Mahmud Baskar, son of Yusuf Ali, Mahmud Sajish Khan, son of Mahmud Helaluddin, both residents of Yaripok, Ningthonai, and Mahmud Tariq, son of Mahmud Sirajuddin of Yaripok, Tulihal. According to a source, on May 16 at about 4:30 p.m., late Abdullah along with his 3 friends went to Lilong Nungay Kuno after they were invited for a dinner party by Sana, the main accused in the case. After the dinner party, Abdullah was allegedly detained by the family while his 3 friends were set free. Since then, Abdullah went missing. Later, his dead body was found in Imphal River on Sunday. Notably, Tabashum had earlier lodged a complaint with Women Police Station Thobal alleging that she has been raped by late Abdullah. As per the complaint, OC of the police station served a summons to Abdullah asking him to personally appear before the police station on May 18. Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates. Crisis hit Sri Lanka on Tuesday, raised the petrol price by 24.3% and diesel by 38.4%, a record hike in fuel prices amidst the country's worst economic crisis due to the shortage of foreign exchange reserves. With the second fuel price hike since April 19, now the most used octane 92 petrol cost rupees 420 rupees and diesel rupees 400 per litre, and all-time high. The hike came as the public continues to suffer in long queues at fuel stations hit by shortages. Meanwhile, the auto rickshaw operators say they would raise the tariff to be 90 rupees per first kilometre and 80 rupees for the second onwards. As a measure to mitigate the costs, the government announced that the heads of institutions would be given the discretion over which employees would be essential to report physically. The rest will be allowed to work from home. The economic crisis has also triggered a political crisis in Sri Lanka and a demand for the resignation of President Gotabaya Rajapaksa. Manipur has become the first state in the country to clear all the right-of-way (ROW) permissions that were pending. TR Dua Director General, Digital Infrastructure Providers Association (DIPA), said that representatives of DIPA were making enormous efforts with the Manipur government for the alignment and the implementation of the ROW rules in November 2016 through the joint meeting and more. Today, there are 0 pending ROW applications in the state, which is a good sign for the telecom infrastructure development in the country. Much recently, the Telecom Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw had inaugurated the Gati Shakti Sanchar portal for speeding up the ROW approvals in the country. Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) Manipur Pradesh will join the nation in celebrating the successful 8 years rule of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government in the country that will be held from May 30 till June 15 by performing various programs, including entertainment across the country. The decision was taken during the National Office Bearer meeting held on May 20 at Jaipur. Speaking to media persons at Thambal Shanglen on Monday, BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President N. Nimbas said that the BJP-led government under PM Prime Minister Narendra Modi was formed on May 30, 2014, and 8 years of its successful rule will be completed on May 30. Maintaining that the BJP government has been focusing on the welfare for the people by stressing on empowering women, curbing poverty by upliftment of poor sections of the society. He said that the celebration will be held at booth level by forming celebration committees. He said the program will be taken part by MLAs, MPs, representatives of local bodies and BJP morchas. Before we wrap up with today's bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Cycling for Humanity team left Imphal today for Shri Lili Festival. And ULFAI using various social media platforms to recruit youths. With that, we've come to the end of today's English Bulletin. Thank you for watching.